set of instructions is called as a program. Before implementing the program, we have to understand the problem statement. If we understand the problem statement, then we can implement program very easily and quickly. I will clearly explain how to understand the problem and how to write the code to solve that problem. In my upcoming videos, we can develop the code using computer languages. Don't worry about example code. I will explain clearly how to write code in C language in my upcoming videos. Computer languages are two types. They are low-level languages and high-level languages. Now we will discuss about low-level languages. Machinery or binary language is called as low-level language. It is understood by the computer. The computer cannot understand high-level languages. Low-level language contains only two digits, such as 1 and 0. Assembly and machine code languages are examples for low-level languages. Now we will discuss about high-level languages. In high-level languages, we can create programs by using simple English sentence. A human can easily understand the code that is written in high-level language, but that code is not understood by the computer. Python, Ruby, C#, Java, and lots of other coding languages are examples for high-level languages. Computer will not understand the high-level languages. So, we have to use a mechanism that can behave like a converter or translator between low-level language and high-level language. Compiler is a translator in between the high-level language and low-level language. It converts low-level language code to high-level language, and high-level language code to low-level language. C was initially used for system development work. In particular, the programs that make up the operating system. C was adopted as a system development language because it produces code that runs nearly as fast as code written in assembly language. By using C language, we can develop operating systems, language compilers, assemblers, text editors, print spoolers, network drivers, modern programs, databases, utilities, and language interpreters.